Good morning students. Today we are going to see the basic problem in unit 1. When a steel rod is subjected to tensile load, there will be some deformation in terms of length, diameter and volume. This problem will help you how to calculate those deformations analytically. Let us see the problem. A steel rod of 20 mm diameter, 4 meter long, carries a tensile load of 50 kN. Calculate the change in length, diameter and volume of the rod. Take E equal to, that is Young's modulus E equal to 2 into 10 to the power 5 Newton per mm square, and Poisson's ratio is 0.3. In this problem, the given data are diameter value is 20 mm, Poisson ratio 0.3, length L equal to 4 meter, so that is 4000 mm, load P equal to 50 kilonewton, so 50,000 Newton. Transferring kilonewton into Newton, we have to use 10 to the power 3, we have to multiply with 10 to the power 3, and Young's modulus E equal to 2 into 10 to the power 5 Newton per mm square. These are the given data. In this problem, we have to calculate the change in length, change in diameter and change in volume. For this, we know that Young's modulus equation E equal to stress by strain, tensile stress by tensile strain, sigma by E. We know the stress formula, sigma equal to load by area, P by A, and strain formula is change in length by original length, that is del L by L. So we have to use the known values, and from this we can calculate the change in length. We know the values for Young's modulus, load, area, length and length. From this we can calculate the change in length value. The final answer for change in length is 3.18 mm. After calculating change in length, we should calculate change in diameter. For calculating change in diameter, we can use the formula Poisson ratio. So Poisson ratio formula is 1 by m equal to longitudinal strain by lateral strain. So longitudinal strain formula is change in length by original length, and lateral strain is change in diameter by original diameter. This is the difference between longitudinal strain and lateral strain. So we know the formula we know the values for change in length and length, so we can calculate the longitudinal strain. The answer for longitudinal strain is 7.9 into 10 to the power minus 4, and lateral strain, we know the values for the diameter. So from this relation we can calculate the change in diameter, that is del D. After substituting the known values, we get the value for change in diameter, that is 4.74 into 10 to the power minus 3 mm. After calculating the change in diameter, we have to calculate change in volume. For change in volume, we know the formula del V by V, that is change in volume by volume equal to del L by L minus 2 into del D by D, change in length by original length minus 2 into change in diameter by original diameter. In this formula, we know the values for change in length and change in diameter and diameter. we have to calculate the volume. So volume formula is pi b4 d square into L. From this formula we get the value for change in volume, that is 1.25 into 10 to the power 6 mm cube. After calculating the volume, we have to substitute in the equation. From that we can calculate the change in volume. So change in volume dV equal to 401.25 mm cube. The result we obtain is, first one, change in length L equal del L equal to 3.18 mm. Change in diameter is 4.74 into 10 to the power 3 mm. Change in volume is 401.25 mm cube. Thank you, students.